Hey guys, want to bring you a quick how-to video on the XJ adjustment for the external door handle button. This will help you, like if you've installed new handles or something, or done taking the interior pieces of your door out or something along those lines, and the button just doesn't engage as quickly as it used to. So this will help you out with that. I'll cover both generations because I've got an 01 sitting right here and a couple of 93s. So I'll show you both generations. I've seen a few videos of where people only cover, the older body style or the newer body style. So I'll go ahead and cover both for you here real quick. Okay, so the new body style is a little easier to adjust. If you look in here, you can see that little Allen screw right there. So what you'll want to do, this is a 5/32 Allen, is you will stick that in there, loosen that bolt up, and then you will slide it towards the outside of the door, and that will give you a firmer button. So if you're trying to open your door and the button is it's not engaging until the very end, like when you get it in there, or it's not engaging at all, this should take care of that issue. And now I'll show you what it looks like on the older body style. Okay, so here it is on the 93. You can see, instead of there being a oval access hole up here, it's on the bottom. And on the older Jeeps, I will note it's a little hard to see in there. On the newer ones, you can actually see the bolt really without using a light. But on the older ones, you kind of gotta take your little flashlight or the phone on your phone light or something and stick in there, and you can see it. It's the same principle. Loosen that up, still 5/32, and you adjust it the same way. But this will work if you got new door handles or anything like that. This will help you get that nice crisp button feel on your Jeep again.